A short moral story: never lie. Jack had learned from his friends that lying is the easiest way out of any situation. So he became fond of lying and enjoyed telling small lies. When his parents caught him and warned him against telling lies, he shrugged them off, saying lies never harm anyone. Jack's father decided to explain to him why lying is bad. One evening, Jack and his friend were walking down the street with some groceries. Just then, they saw a car rammed into a bookstore. Jack's father asked the man what happened, and he replied the car driver lied to his father that they could see without spectacles. They both were in the car when the accident happened, or the father is seriously hurt. I'm sure the boy regrets ever lying. Jack's father looked at Jack and said, "See, Jack, a lie is so dangerous that it can hurt people." Jack realized the huge cost of a lie and stopped lying. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.